Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. SUI is one of the coins that actually has formed a pretty decent 1-2 setup. We call that, we call that a bullish setup, which means we have from the August low, a pretty nice 5-wave move to the upside as an impulse, and then an ABC structure pretty much as it, you could say, was it supposed to happen. Because we saw a first dip as an A wave. Here we wanted to see a reaction. It happened as an ABC structure. Yeah, the A wave was really incredibly messy. Then we had a B wave and the C wave rally, which then topped in the resistance area, and the C wave down. I wanted it to reach ideally 75 cents. Maybe we still get there. That's just sort of one key level to watch. It doesn't absolutely need to touch that level. It came very close, already came to 76 cents. It's possible we get that one more low there, and then we have 5 waves down. We already have, no, we don't have 5 waves down. So it is possible that this 4th wave is actually unfolding as a triangle, the way this looks. And you see here, when we look at the downside move, I've got in the C wave, and the C wave is always a 5-wave move. And of course, you know, sometimes it happens, they turn around early, they don't give us that last low. Then either the correction was, instead of an ABC, it's a WXY structure, and the Y wave only needs 3 waves. Or we're dealing with a structure where it is an ABC structure, but the 5th wave is a so-called truncated wave. I would only use that in exceptional circumstances. I think I haven't used it in all of 2024, this concept. It is basically when you don't know what to do and then you have to find a way. But it's that just means, let's say, if it was like that, if it turns around now, we could consider if the wave 5 was a truncation. So the wave 5 did not end below the 3rd wave. That can happen when we're very close to the last low. And I mean, cryptos are highly volatile. You have different exchanges as well. So you sometimes get these floors in the charts. It means when the upside momentum, maybe sector-wide, is so strong that the chart cannot generate that last low. But because this move down is a 3-wave move, it actually makes sense to consider that this here could be an Elliott wave triangle. So it could be that the 5th wave down is coming. The 4th wave is a triangle, and we're dealing with something like that. I'm going to highlight it here in purple, pink purple, whatever it is. It just gives a nice contrast with black. But it shows us here the 4th wave could unfold as a triangle. It might even happen over the weekend. We might need a little bit more sideways action before the 4th wave completes. And as long as we stay below the last high, which formed on Friday, here at 83.6 cents, this is a valid interpretation that the triangle is a so-called A, B, C, D, E structure, forming lower highs and higher lows. And then we would normally watch for a move to the downside, and this 5th wave would normally happen at the end of the E wave, which is the last bit here, forming lower highs, higher lows. And the 4th wave probably needs a bit more sideways action, but we would expect a move to the downside here. At the same time, a break above the Friday high might be an early breakout signal to the upside, coupled with a break above this descending trend line, which has 1, 2, 3 touch points maybe here. Maybe we'll get a 4th one there. And that's pretty much how I see it at the moment. So it, the SUI can reach like $3, $4 in the yellow wave count, here, maybe even higher, if the 56 cent level is holding, because we are far away from that key level. But that's the key support level down there, 56 cents. It's the 78.6 retracement, and any break below it would be rather bearish. But for now, we're far away from that. We give the bulls a chance, but at the same time, there is currently no reversal signal to the upside yet. Next support levels are 72 cents and then 65. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.